Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's practice a relaxing Tai Chi routine. Before we begin, give my channel a like and subscribe. Let's learn and practice a relaxing Tai Chi routine. Begin by relaxing the knees and relaxing the shoulders and taking a nice deep breath. We'll start with our feet together and go into an opening posture. Step out with your left foot. Both hands slowly come up. And now sink your center and your hands come down. Shift your weight into hold the ball. And we're going to go into part the wild horse's mane. So I step out with my left heel as my left hand comes up and my right hand goes down. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Shift the weight and come up with your right foot. Step out with your right. Right hand comes up and left hand comes down. And again, step out with the left. Left hand comes up, right hand comes down. And one more. Step out with the right. Right hand up and left hand down. Now we're going to go into Repulse the monkey. Open both arms. Step back with the right foot and press out with your left hand. Open. Step back and press out. Open. Step back and press out. And one more. Open. Step back and press out. Now I step back with my right foot and I bring my left foot back in as I finish. Now let's practice that again and add some breathing. So as I begin, I'm going to take a nice deep breath. I step out with the left. Breathe in and breathe out as you sink. Breathe in and breathe out as you step out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Now as we go back, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, and one more, breathe in, and breathe out. Step back with the right foot. Now breathe in, hands come up, and breathe out, hands come down. Feet come back together. Now let's practice it one more time together. That was a relaxing Tai Chi routine. Subscribe to my channel to watch more Tai Chi videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong.